So just so thankful for everybody being here. Good morning, and thank you all for coming out to Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay to celebrate the legacy of our beloved Kumba. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Jon Vigue, and I'm the park president of Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Debuting in 1993, Kumba set a new standard for thrill rides as Florida's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster, featuring the world's tallest vertical loop. We know Kumba holds a special place in the hearts of the Tampa Bay and roller coaster communities. And while we celebrate Kumba's 33rd year, legacy, and retirement, Busch Gardens is also looking forward to an incredible and robust future. The park is focused currently in the midst of a 5-year, $200 million investment plan. And guests can look forward to exciting new attractions, enhanced guest experiences, and significant improvements that will continue to elevate Busch Gardens Tampa Bay as Florida's thrill leader. The legend of Kumba will continue with Kumba's Revenge. Stay tuned for a brand new adventure. I hope you enjoy your historic final ride on Kumba. And in case you missed it on your way in, check out our newest delivery and stay tuned for park updates. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your day.
Platform clear, is that?
So I was like, what?
To that last curve got me a little dizzy.
Yeah.
You tell them I'm my friend.
Yeah, just a conversation I had with people about Disney coasters and Disney coasters